The Global Multi-Asset Fund is PIMCO's flagship asset allocation fund. We invest across the range of liquid asset classes covering global stocks, global bonds, commodities, currencies, and alternative strategies. As such, the fund serves as a more diversified and risk-balanced approach to achieving long-term absolute returns as compared to the conventional stock-bond balanced portfolio. The objective of the Global Multi-Asset Fund is to deliver attractive absolute returns over a full business cycle, approximately 8 to 10% annualized under normal market conditions. We also have a risk objective, and that's to achieve average annualized volatility of roughly 9 to 11%, again, over a full business cycle, and that's volatility consistent with a 60% stock, 40% bond portfolio. In addition, we also seek to limit the downside volatility of the portfolio. We do this by investing in tail risk-hedges, which are strategies designed to protect the portfolio in the event of large market losses. The Global Multi-Asset Fund has three component parts to its portfolio structure. The first is what we call the beta, which really reflects the asset allocation decisions expressed across global bonds, global stocks, commodities, currencies, and other alternative assets. The second is what we call the alpha portfolio, which seeks to identify security selection or other bottom-up strategies within each asset class, the goal being to enhance portfolio return potential. The third component are tail risk hedges. These are strategies that include puts or other put-like instruments across a variety of markets that are designed to benefit the portfolio by delivering outsized gains amid large market declines. By combining these three together, this creates what we believe is a very integrated asset allocation portfolio, one that can provide the potential for significant upside participation while protecting against downside losses. There are three senior portfolio managers at PIMCO who manage the Global Multi-Asset Fund. The first is Mohammed El-Arian, our CEO and co-CIO, who is chiefly responsible for managing the asset allocation or the beta decisions in the fund. Second is Curtis Mewborn. Curtis oversees our diversified income, municipal and equity businesses, and he's responsible for the alpha strategies in the fund. The third is Vinir Bansali, who oversees PIMCO's quantitative strategies group and is primarily responsible for actively managing the tail risk hedges in the fund. In the Global Multi-Asset Fund, we're looking to deliver meaningful upside participation with equity markets while limiting downside participation. In seeking to achieve this asymmetry in between up markets and down markets, we look to actively manage opportunities that can drive absolute return potential while also actively managing risks. The style of the portfolio reflects PIMCO's forward-looking views regarding the global macroeconomy and will change as our outlook changes with respect to global growth, inflation, policy, and other factors. Determining the optimal asset allocation is essential for every investor, but it's a very difficult thing to do. This is especially true in a global economy that is interconnected and evolving, one in which historical relationships are changing and unthinkable events are becoming almost commonplace. The Global Multi-Asset Fund is designed to help investors navigate this fluid and evolving global landscape by letting them tap directly into PIMCO's forward-looking macroeconomic views, by leveraging our expertise across asset classes, and by incorporating our demonstrated risk management capabilities. In so doing, the Global Multi-Asset Fund can serve as a core portfolio holding, or it can serve as a complement to the asset allocation decisions made with the balance of investor assets.